What if you're not just experiencing reality? What if you're actually creating it? What if your thoughts aren't just in your head, but deeply connected to the universe itself? Today, we dive into a world where quantum physics meets spiritual wisdom. A world where your subconscious, your emotional state, and your vibration determine the reality you live in. When you start to shift your frequency, meaning your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions, the universe will test you, not to punish you, but to see if you're truly ready. Suddenly, things seem to go wrong. Challenges appear. Doubts creep in. This is not a coincidence. It's a test of your new vibration. If you fall back into fear or old patterns, you're reinforcing your previous reality. But if you remain strong, aligned, and trustful during this test, then the universe responds, you're ready. Reality does not respond to what you want. It responds to what you feel. You can say, I want abundance. But if you feel fear or lack underneath, you're broadcasting scarcity into the field. As Dr. Joe Dispenza explains, if you can feel as if your desire is already fulfilled, your subconscious begins to accept it as truth, and your energy aligns with that reality. In quantum physics, there's a phenomenon called quantum entanglement, where two particles become connected in such a way that a change in one instantly affects the other, no matter how far apart they are. If particles can be entangled, why not consciousness? Ancient spiritual traditions speak of chi, prana, the Akashic field. Modern physicists like David Bohm and Schrödinger suggest we are all part of a holographic, interconnected universe. Your thoughts and emotions aren't isolated events. They emit vibrations that interact with the quantum field. So how do you actually start to shift your reality? 1. Observe and reprogram your thoughts. Catch old limiting beliefs and replace them with thoughts that match the reality you want. 2. Feel as if it's already real. Visualize your desire, and more importantly, feel the gratitude and joy as if you already have it. 3. Act from your new frequency. If you want abundance, stop acting from fear. If you want confidence, start behaving as if you are already that version of you. The final step is full trust. You must surrender the control, the how, the when, because when you manifest with fear or impatience, you're still operating from lack. The power lies in vibrational certainty. Think, feel, and act as if your desire is already done, and the outer world begins to align accordingly. You are not just a passive observer of your life. You are the creator. When you align your conscious mind, your subconscious, and your energy, you unlock a new dimension of power. The question is not whether you are connected. The question is, are you ready to realize it and unlock your full potential? Reality is not something that happens to you. It's something you create. Subscribe for more insights into consciousness, quantum physics, and the power of your energy.